feel like I'm an idiot. I'm ridiculous with this. Don't like it. I feel like I'm an asshole or something. Okay, you can turn off the camera now. I'm really confused. Now we are in snack time, and I have Sprite, she has Mars and layers, and I had Mars but I have eaten it already. And I think it's better for me to go to the toilet because I am going to climb up.
Now it's going to be fun time. Enjoy.
With climbing?
And play for her.
Yes, please.
And to subscribe and like the video.
Yes. Cheers. I want no alcohol. I want a little bit of alcohol, but I cannot.
Not allowed.
It's not allowed. Yes.
You're not just allowed to drink.
Just wait for the group of them to sit in. There is probably alcohol in there. I'm not, by the way, I'm not an alcoholic person. I don't like sometimes alcohol. It depends on what I'm drinking. And in Norway, you can eat the light ones with low %. And when you're 18 and 20, when you want them all. In Iceland, you need to wait until you're 20. But I'm 19 and I'm following the Norwegian rules because it's better. I'm allowed to drink. But I don't drink every single day. I'm just occasionally or something really special and occasional. Yes. Maybe I've been too many sugar. I've been drinking soda. I have Sprite. Enjoy. And enjoy when you can and when you're young. Yes. Yes. Okay. This is the view in the moment for me and us. This is the we are sitting. Woohoo! Hola. Ta-da! Ôi ôi. Very done like me, or I'll give the same. Say the say the ooh. Say the ha 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 ha. Say It's maybe too much to sing that song here because it sounds very, very sexy. We came here after 3 days ago. We have been here in 3 days, I think. Some of the, I think it's 2 days left. Maybe 2 and 3 days
No,
left. I think it's probably, I don't know. And first we need to get over the finish line. This I don't know where that is. Maybe I heard someone say 4 something in the morning. I'm probably sleeping then. I hope so. Because I had the shifts clock 12 to 4 midnight. And I have been working now since 12 to 4. And I think my watch is over. I think so. I think, yeah. Probably have been over. And then, first of all, we have been here for 3 or 4 days in the ocean. And first night I went took my bra off because it was hurting, and I have not wear bras since I took them off. So when I'm outside, especially when there's cold, I feel like a vein going through. It's weird, and sometimes it's uncomfortable, but sometimes it's very, very nice. Yeah, this is Oha. One that I feel really uncomfortable with is that when we go to sleep, there is a lot of bunkers. Some people sit down, some people up, sometimes up, and that is very high up. And I'm sleeping in the highest one. Yay! It's hard sometimes to get into it, especially I think it was yesterday or days after yesterday or before yesterday. I kunde mig, jag bytte. Jag vet av.
Another ship.
I know. Just wait. I'm talking. I'm talking. Shush.
Techie säger Techie. Jag ska speak på Techie. Han säger
Daddy is my baby. It's
Techie is baby.
baby.
He's baby boy.
It's baby boy.
He's baby boy.
Baby. Many people will think that I have children.
And Techie, he's love women's.
And
And a teddy bear.
when we say baby to Daddy, I think you guys will probably think that I have children. But he's my child, but not a human one.
He's a dog.
He's a dog. He's a part of the
dog.
family member. He's two, and he is part of the family. Every pet is our family member. Because they have feelings, they're part of the life. So, respect animals. And help them because we all need help.
Hi.
Bye.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go climb up?
Yes.
Yes.
That makes sense. Well, so you do need the bottom one. It's just going to pull you down. That one thing off. Take two steps up. And then keep going again. Yeah, I'll be better Yeah, that is normal. Everyone is weird. A little shake is okay. Not too much shake. Yeah, easy. You got it. much as you want. And then a little bit more, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, if you just take your red safety and move it as high as you can now. So the safety, the hook, put it up high, as you have done many times now. Yeah, this any hook. Even the red one or the gray one. Yeah, but let's just stay here for 1 minute. And to stay safe, we have a high hook. So put your hook as high as you reach. It's okay. That move nice and slow. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. It's okay. Now wait. Now yeah, and let's go down. Then you are great safety, the high one. Yeah, back up there. Even without looking, I can go. Yeah, then down. Yeah. So just say way and put it up. Step down. Yep, cool. So now you have one small step. So if you take your safety, that's good. Yeah, easy. And just move the safety one down. This time one. Okay. Yep. And now we need the safety here. Now we do long one again. Yeah. And then all the way down. Yeah. Perfect. Now we have the long step. So if you put your hands here, all the way down, then long step down. It's okay, you won't fall. It's the very long step. Long. Longer. A little bit longer. Yes. Down. So then you can take this safety and move to red. Yep. Almost, but do it on the middle. Yeah, on the middle. Easy. And then just one step over there. And then down on the white box. Yep. Perfect. Easy. No? Oh, wait. Stay on the white box and take this off. Yeah. Perfect. Got it?
Very nice.
Bravo! Bravo! Yay! Yeah, you did it! Bravo! Hi!
How was that? It was okay? A little scary. Yeah, cool.
Today is that it's very cold, little bit, not very, little bit. I think that's just normal because we're in the ocean, and then near the ocean you're gonna feel more wind, and then yes.
Head, let go down line.
What do you think the journey has been?
I think it was an amazing journey. We had, for instance, the departure of Hartlepool. We had such an awesome sail together, and I was really impressed. After 48 hours, we did the jibe, and we, as a crew, had nothing to do anymore, and we just sailed and sailed and sailed, and everybody was motivated and helping along. It was an awesome journey for us, working together and just feeling happy. I was very satisfying race and a very nice group on the board, so I'm really happy.
What do you think the trainees were?
Very good, but I told it was very quickly that everybody was helping out on all levels on the boat. You know, you have to organize such a complete boat all together. It's not only pulling on ropes, but navigation, helping out, being watch leader, deck leader, galley work, cleaning, but sailing was the biggest part of the whole voyage, so it was really awesome. Really loved it.
What was your favorite day?
My favorite day, I think, was complicated. I think yesterday. Now the second day, because then I saw that it was going so well with everybody on the boat that I feel really comfortable. I think this will be an awesome race.
Thank you.
Hello. Like you see behind me, this is my bunk. That has been my bunk during this trip. And I have my night outfit there, because you never know. And I have here, and like you see, it's 3 levels. One here, down there, one in the middle, one up. And this is very high up. And it's sometimes difficult to get on it, especially when there is waves. It's hard, but I don't give up. And 3-4 days ago, I almost gave up on it because it was hard. There were so many waves, and you just in one side of the ship, and yeah, it was difficult. And I literally had all my strength to pull me up. When I did almost just gave up on it, and for maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes I sat on the floor right there. I will show it in a moment. And then I felt like it was unsafe, so I stood up, did this to the closet, and literally doing this with the arms, with both arms of course, and then I was just laying down here trying to sleep like that. And then I thought it was unsafe and not comfortable to do so, because I felt I will be seasick. So I just pulled me up on here, and it was not easy. It was hard and it was painful. And when I got up there, it took all my strength and all my energy that I just went out of breath, went out of oxygen. And then when I got up, I literally wanted to get down so I can have air, but I said, nah, I'm not gonna do that again. And thankfully it was not that much waves in during the trip. I think it was maybe the first night or second night of the trip. And I hope I'm talking loud for the camera, but I cannot promise anything, because of in this room you should be quiet. And here it was when I was sitting down, so I don't have a holder in the moment to use to film, but I hold here, and I was out going down. This is how I was when I was sleeping, trying to sleep right in this position, and it was not comfortable. So when was the dog because I felt it was unsafe and maybe someone would trip over me. I tried this, be like this, and tried to sleep like this. But then I said no. Then I went over here, I climbed. And there is no ladder, like you say, there is no ladder to get on. So you need to climb. And I tried to use this one to hold me, but no, it didn't work. I slipped. And I have almost twice fell down trying to come up. It's unsafe.
When I say hold it, you say live. Hold it. Live. Hold it. Live. When I say hold it, you say live. Hold it. Live. Hold it. Live.